We've arrived in Monaco, home of the Monaco Grand Prix circuit.
We've flown all over the world, challenging the car in different environments. But this, my friends, is the pinnacle of all racing.
This is a highly technical circuit. You can't get away with making mistakes here.
There's more things that can go wrong than go right.
It demands absolute precision out of your driving. If you just go a little bit too wide, you're gonna smack the wall.
This is the playground for the rich and the famous. Everyone comes out to watch these cars.
And we have the very rare opportunity, a small window of time, to take the Cadillac ATS out onto the track.
This track is so demanding, so twisty, you don't want to make any mistakes.
The streets of Monaco, impossibly tight corners, severe elevation changes. Here, the 2.0-liter turbo engine has a chance to put everything it has on the line.
All right, Derek, on your mark. 3, 2, 1, go.
Going uphill, beau rivage. This is where horsepower really matters. Short shoot right up to the hairpin. Going through the tunnel, flat out. There we go, it's like threading a needle through here. And I am done with my lap at Monaco.